You guys want some rainbow juice? Loni, Lola, and Lenny all said yes. Here you go.
Plus drinks too fast plus. Hic. Oh no. I got the hic. Hiccups.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Let's stop her hiccups.
Good idea.
Loni, hold your breath for about like 10 seconds, and your hiccups will be gone.
Okay. Hic. Plus holds breaths, and breaths out plus. Hic.
When I gave Loni a glass of water, and her hiccups are gone. And here's a description. I actually put Loni's hiccups on the video, not Loni gets hiccups, Loni and the hiccups, or Loni gets the hiccups. And that's the end of the story. The end. Bye guys.